Nonsia abo adishima ma ye mamu nyina adwo sansoma mo akwaba ediba virgin enime nonsia kase bo eso kase bo ensasoso ene enime ya enunu efri yenya yo manga ne mu amahodro so nsem eka ho ebi ani abo bo na ediba beso mo ene enime se virgin enime nonsia kase bo ensem no dia edi mu akotene bi ene se Ababe toja sega na mampanyina na abidakwa akufu adon eyi mpenfo wonmo ebetena seni wonmo adwendwe se debeyo na bibi kosumpa wonmo ebeto aba ni ade ano eyade se ababe toja se wode wondin aba na asie dunketia onmunyafo wakasa achemu ese abato ekokoto ya fimpinuni adwenu abato ekokoto ye no ena twese results a eba echire no michire echinsunsanso no enya de se NDC4 wonmo ani edi echire de biawada onmunyafo opon enkroma no so akasa achemu ese ekame ese Ghana mampanyina na adodan kwagufado eba be kasa ye no Ghana fo binumu anti na si ya ochire binumu echemu ese eyiyo no wonmo echese Ghana mampanyi ede so atoso wode ehunchiremu ede aba na university senior staff so wonmo ede ababatu edwese striker wode babatu edwese wonmo akon ogusu a ewo strike no emu Ghana Health Service for so akasa achiremu ese ayawaso west enkan wonmo ede babatu edwese ye ka coronavirus ho sensem dia na chese honum anna unity papa na opanyi wasa so akasa bi mu se no enye sa na che de biara da se ebinum ekase ukopim wo honum coronavirus no unity wo honum papa no ye be kwa kopim wo enigide ensemu enso na nimtuni Ghana hasi ebonidi na chese wagidi pa rap doctor wakasa miche ocheme kwame wakasa dia lisodie akode magana fo nyinada ese adaroma yenhwe na nose mask ana afensu no ehia hodre dia ba no efa coronavirus ho hye no yenhwe ni nyinada yenni ni nyinada eso pepepe yedi awukansi mu nsem so ebeba wakwamu na afensu yakwakọ wie kasebo no ewa mahodro ensem emu na Zimbabwe manu emu ababetu dwese coronavirus ya dia asanso unity ewo hono no wonmo ede ababetu dwese wo hwe anima se ehudro no eye China manu emu ebefiri hono ede aba no wonmo ede asa won ho yade ensemo foforo binu ka wo yo semu faso no susu ya krogin ya okansi ka ho ebi ani abobo no enenwme ede babeso mo ese virgin enmebremu akan kasebo na me ameje brakin ka kasebo dia ma medium jiso a enema bina adubia na shese kasebo eye dimoko bia daroma na eso yasne eye success preparatory school upe school papa do ba akono osometimi ajodia me kanfo ede amount one more chade ye papa pa we tra kwan e wo so won ade so kwantem pono eso na se frempin fo e wo 0208 278 198 0208 278 198 now no one more extra come now do bano akọ na bibia so etimi aye kama ye dan husima ye ba kase bono ye bedo mosu Ebusia for South Mamo akwa babiem ediba virgin en menosia kase bono eso na ye hyase edia enche bia no man Ghana yinada eto sante kokoto aba eyin penfo wono betimi edi anim amam puntunu mese na fata no wono ahwe na atimi aba on man Ghana emun na abato no ko ewie yinada na ababeto jese Ghana mampanyi na adodan kwa akufu ado ani abo ne dim se won sanso entina Ghana akonya kase no so ebiemum na ohwe entoto eniema ewo man no emum na wadi ababeto dwa de krata aba montini esese de beyo na obetimi aboa na mpenifa hodo obetimi aboa na ama ne dwumede no asi akoso no entinum eyade se wodi empenifo binum edin aba montina wono eba beboa na afi kwamponso no wono ahwe ama bibia etimi aye kama ewo na mamuo no emu
December bosome ne da etosonson ena Ghana yeto yaba ne yi ye mampani na nadoda nkwa Akufo-Addo ewo ne mprenu eso se womra medi Ghana so emfie nan entem eno ena neyi ababeto edwase eyade ye mampani Ninsemu nyina ene se etrikuo wo hoi enkwagina enti no adwuma no enyade wono nko betimi aye enti wapaw ni mpanifu a wone womo ebeye adwuma no se de ebeye wo betimi edi Ghana efri baby na kwakodru baby meche Council of State eno yade ena yama mpani na nadoda nkwa Akufo-Addo wapaw womo a wone womo ebeye se adwuma no na ne kasemu ena wasandi tu edwase eyade a enkofo wapaw womo no wonimu se womo gina womo na so do betimi aboa ama Ghana etimi afanento mapa efra na NPP amanyokuo no womu eni daso a entunu yegina si yento womo so aba no etimi abemu edi ama womo se de womo ehwehwe no
Awusanyanto akase bono esuna wo abatwa Ghana yekokotu ye no na chese etwasem no akwakoye bibia hono ama NDC amanyuko no edi babetu edwase nyade se wono mo ebeji atum de bia da se ya bo Ghana mampanyi edin se wono ana edi nkunim eno nam so ama wono mo edi wonkrata kopie mu egwasem di bia wode wasem nada akwakodan Supreme Court se wono enhwe emmobo bibia no na woni wono mo asem fama yegusu akayi ekasa yai chese asem no gusua ekoso ama enwada wono muchocho for panyin woni munyafo esiedun ketia wono na ejina eye box nimu edi adanse edi ama NDC amanyukonum na wo abra lawyer akoto ampaw wone no etwetwe nkoma ebisebisa no nsemise bia no ana owura ye esiedun ketia ekasa ye ana ochemu ese abato ekokoto ya echisunsoso no eba ya wono susu se abato komisa oye ohu bibia ankoyi afama wono de enyade se NDC amanyukonum na wono eni edi echire de biarada.
These statements in the various clips is that President Mahama had won the 2020 presidential election.
Yes. My Lord, these statements, according to the videos, were made at different times.
I didn't ask you when they were made.
Some of them were made after declaration, some before declaration, and so on. So it is difficult to put all such together and say that at this point, this was what was said.
No, I'm putting it to you that these statements were made before declaration.
My Lord, my viewing of the video indicates that some of the statements were made after declaration.
Even better. And so you admit that some of the statements saying that the petitioner had won the elections were made after the declaration. Not so.
From what I have watched here with everybody here, I can see that this is not a video of one event. These are videos picked and pieced together, and some of them relate to a time period before declaration, and others relate to a time period after declaration.
Now, it is no secret that interspersed between these press conferences, the NDC, under your direction, had organized several demonstrations in Accra, stating that the petitioner had won the election and warning the first respondent not to subvert the will of the people.
My Lord, the NDC had organized several demonstrations with three main objectives. One,
please, I've not asked you.
The killing of innocent voters at polling stations by security officers, and nothing seemed to be happening. The NDC made that was one of the purposes of the press conference. The other purpose of the press conference.
Please, I have not asked you the purpose, so answer my question. Please, and don't be taking instructions.
Can you restate
Don't be taking instructions from lawyers on this side, please.
Please, let's observe.
Please.
Deacon, please.
My Lord, I know what I'm talking about.
We are closer to them than you. We've not witnessed anything. Please.
Yes, please answer my question. And you had your opportunity to write your witness statement. So now you answer the questions. You understand?
Please, I'm asking the question again, and I answer according to my ability and what I consider to be the answer to the question.
I'm saying that interspersed between these press conferences,
yes,
the NDC organized a series of demonstrations, the object of which was to...
Chin is loaded. You see, it is double barreled. Can't you break them?
Organized a number of demonstrations. Is that so?
Yes, we did.
And one of the clear objectives of these demonstrations was that the petitioner had won the elections and the EC should not subvert the will of the people.
My Lord, the objective that relates to the presidential elections was
Ebusia yen to akase bono esu na yen free asemdibia na yen konko piemu ebo so for hwe ya mane bo ho ensem esom Onmunya for upon enkroma wakasa achemu ese nanwa da Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa akufu ado ene Ghana enye kitawudem wabra coronavirus eba oman Ghana munum Ghana mampanyi ene yen yakasa nya kitawudia ba bia kwakoduru ene nya ye kwo omonuma enye binu wonuma afa yade no eso ahwe wonuma nkwanum ejade se abrano ne abrano bia one Ghana for echen na wo abra Ghana mampanyi ekasa no chiremu ese kame ese eye coronavirus no kwa na ekoso no ntino wode esono ato eye ayiyo parties any eye wedding akodre no ekoso ewo manga no mo kira enye se wode atoto kra se ebia enkoso kra na mumnum enipa be se 25 ebetimi akwase ma bibia etimi akototin na no ana nunya for ponkroma akasa edi mu chiremu amaga na fo nyinada.
So for example, you notice that we, or the president, did not ban burial services because the activity of burial we actually encourage you to go on, so that you don't have people's mortal remains, piling up in the morgues, etc. The activity of burial, so the burial service, the one where you take the body, most likely to a church, and a prayer is said before they will go and do the actual burial. That one is not banned. It is only limited to about 25 persons. So private burial or private burial service is not banned. What is banned is the funeral, where typically in the Ghanaian community, we will all gather, you will see a long line, shaking of hands, announcement of people, then they call for a song, people will come and dance, then there's lunch or dinner, food and drinks, alcohol. There's a little party associated with it. That is what in Ghana typically we refer to as a funeral. That is what is banned, because it's in that aspect that we notice that there's a high risk, and therefore people are being traced to similar activities.
Enche bia ne babu to just say tewu one more e de babu to just say ejade say aban no ene one more e konhihye bia aban no enisu amfa ma one no nam so ama o chese wode wonye megu hon manya de say one mo e be ko school dem akwa kire ade de biara dan enam so ama university senior staff so one mo e de won to makoko board tewu fo de mu say enya de say one so e be ko school dem na say one mo akọ school dem say wo kwa kire ade ama school fo kwada so enya so mfa so na sesi e kase ya ni nim say abafom na university senior staff sponsor wo so e de ababetu je say ye strike awon mo ekoye no ogusua ewu
Se amanfo bekaye a enche ye bia na dwumaku a edi Senior Staff Association of Universities of Ghana wɔn ɛyɛ akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ a sukupɔn ahodoɔ no wɔn ɛkyerɛ adeɛ wɔ mu wɔn ɛna wɔn de ba bɛto edwa sɛ esan sɛ wɔn akatua aban ɛde ma wɔn no esua de ma wɔn enti nkɛbɛyɛ a Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛne ne mpanyinfoɔ wɔn ɛnyɛ bibi ɛmfamfa ho nanso besi ɛnɛ no wɔn asɛm na akɔyɛ buakye bi din enti ɛno no na deɛ wɔsɛ wɔn yɛ ane sɛ wɔn bɛtie tua mekyɛ strike enti no wɔn ɛkɔ strike ɛno ɛna nne wɔn asan de aba bɛto edwa sɛ ɛyɛ ade a strike ne deɛ wɔn gyina wɔn nan so pintin ɛkɔpem sɛ Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛbɛ ba abɔnten ɛbɛ abɛka sɛ papa bi ato wɔn tiri mu no ɛne strike na wɔn gyina so kia ne ke wɔn ɛbɛkɔ na mmom wɔn nya hyɛ da wɔn de bɛkɔ strike no nanso deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ane sɛ wɔn bɛtena fie ekosi sɛ Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛne ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛde sika ne bi anaasɛ wɔn akatua no ɔbɛtum ɛde ama wɔn panyin ɛna ɛde saa asɛm wei ɛde to dwa
Ghana Health Service for Pennypower Dano and Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuaje Wakasa won Central Phone Shemudi Ase Achemu Ese Kamia Ese Ghana for Binumo Eke Castle Copiumo Ewo Ayawa so Western no Ewo and Cracopono M1 Coronavirus said a honomo and a unity pound and I'm so penny the Ababa 2 a dresser and yes I netted the Viarada Nemo no Miamia would run hospitals and I think Nubuchi Crumple Yakan Ayawa so West honum na ewo ntinsem bia Ghana fo bi no ekeka sese wo peje wani pa na se wo pe be bia coronavirus e de no eyi ni tie no eye Ayawa so West no chese enye sa na tie de bia wada
West. The number is, I would say, more of an artificial number. When we subsequently disaggregate them, this is not. It's so because Noguchi and Nyahu Clinic is located there. Yes. So they tend to record a lot of cases there. But after they have received the results, we look at their location and redistribute them. So Ayawa West is not a hospital. I'm sure today you didn't see me post in the last few days. I've never posted this, but on the updates, because of the way the reporting is and based on the labs, you will think that Ayawa West. But clearly it is not. It's just because the labs are there, Noguchi, Yahoo, and some private facilities are there. That is what creates that number. And so one would not say that Ayawa West is a hotspot or Collect Hotel, because we also have the Akai also reporting there and closing the number. So that's why when we look at with this aggregate, we realize that the central Accra and the adjoining districts, that's where we had a problem. Of course, that would include Ayawa West, but it's not a hotspot, I would say. So I think we need to make that.
I was saying to Akasiabono as soon as I knew Copium a war and Nigidia and some moon. Na nada yenim yadia abasin san yokom miche coronavirus yadena eno so amaye bompa yese erade adoma macha Ghana mampani ekan yese ye bompa yese droba bedru o man Ghana mu yadia sesa yehu yade no ye bompa yese eba bedru na bibia so etimi aye kama na eno nom so ama Ghana nyuntoni ya ye ka rapper otiasie papa ochiame kwame wakasa de efutusem enya de sodi akodia magana fo nyina se adaroma yehwena nose mask akodo ne hihye akodo ayakan se yehweni ni so se de beyo na yade no ebetimi abo ehuban ede efiri ho no wachemu ese yehweni ni nada eso
Coronavirus nsensem ya eno ena Ghana ubepie mu a eyade asoro kwa na ekọ ena manfo nso femu na efemu wu eno ena mpanifo de hyehyeye egu akwan mu se ye momodin si ebedi san hyehyeye no eso eno na nwumtuni anidin ede ochiame kwame ene wodi ababetu edwase wodi adesrede etu Ghana fo nyina enim titutimamuni bia se ema ne dadwen se coronavirus yade no eyade a ewo ho papa ebitimi ka se yade no eni ho enti wono de hyehyeye no wonni so eno ena nei wo chiame kwame wo se yade no ewo ho enti yemyeni ena ho na hyehyeye ahodo mpanifo de egu akwan mu se ebe horo yemsa ye be hye nose mask ye de sanitizer emponi ye ne adofo no mu hye ye betiti ye ntam eni se de yakwasi de ye mampani ebe kasa fa ho se ema ye nye eyiye na mum ye be ye mpa enkofo aduonum num ene de akeka ho no yebedi so pepepe said ye beya ebeboa na Ghana yetimi atwe ho afi coronavirus yade no ho na timemu ni bia so atimi enya ne
Ebusa ye jawe so ni ahome kase bono esu ye ba ye bedan yani akopiem ewo akokansi mu ensem emu
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
Ebusa ye koya ye ba ye sanso mamo akwa bebiem na ye dan ya kopiemu ewa kansi ensem emu. Na over the weekends ya GPL no egusua ekoso ma ye Great Olympics and House of Folk e de hihye so ma ekowiase no na chese Great Olympics one mo ache House for ahye a couple mienu a House of ntimi antimu adabraka na we enam so ama ye Accra Metropolitan Assembly AMA bosso Eye Michael say SB wakasa achiremu e sika twetwe de best 10,000 Ghana cedis at the Aquacoma Great Olympics for. Na match a course no so ama opanyini e kokoye donation de ma omo no yen konkohwe se ne highlight no e koye bi emrasisia.
Leading the Olympics team, Gladson Awako, is the second highest for Olympics, but it wouldn't have Bulu whistles, Mudasiru gets the City Derby underway. Mudasiru picks it up, the big striker has Awaku in front of him. Lovely back heel from Awaku. Great Olympics, Osebos is crossed in. Would this be the opener? Nope. Certainly, Maxwell Abe could have done better.
There again, there you see the instinct. Great improvisation by Awaku and good ball in there. Here, we want him to take it first time, but once the ball takes a bounce before it gets to him, Manaf.
Ebusia for esanso mamo akwa babiem ediba virgin enwumre no sia kase bono esu ye twafo ediane ye dan ya kopiemu ewo mahodo ensem emum na Zimbabwe manu emu ababutu dwase yade no asanso eyimiti wo hono ma mche coronavirus yade no ye no enye asemkito akra wono mo eguso hwehwe se obenya ano adrom na won pa ba obo ye se obenya ano adrom na ababutu dwase China manu emu wode ababutu wono mo enyim se eyade se enche bia coronavirus ho adrom no wonsa ebetimi akabidi afri China manu emu
Coronavirus ho ensensem ya eno na okopie amanya hodo so a eyade ate se omo ho akire omo papapa eyie eno na Zimbabwe man no ene omo de ababetu edwase eyade womo enya ho eduro eno na eduro no ebefri Chinese fo ho na omo de aba Zimbabwe man no emu se de be ye omo betimi ede asa womo ho yade eno na ebefri ase eye busumi a ye bewremi se de be ye timemu ni bia no ye de saa eduro ni bi be wono se wo coronavirus yade ni bi anase woni bi no ye bema na ye se eduro no se de be ya enkonkote atese ewo man no emu na emom so hihye ya hodo no wo mbesan edi so na eno no etimi aboa na COVID-19 yade na ewo Zimbabwe eman no emu no omo etimi atu ase krakra
ewe ebusia na we so na yigina makase bobo no ede ba beso mo ene enwume se virgin enwume no sia kase no aha ene edi ni nyina da esi na asa ne be kono humye hwe ne beto odwa ne bi ansen mampanyi nana adodankwa akufu ado edi edin ahodo na ababontra ni nada eni sempenfo wapa wono se wo ba beboa amani dwumede etimi akoso ewo man Ghana emum yesanso ede baba so mo ese onmunyafo eye asiedum ketia so akasa echemu se abato ekokoto ye chensunsanso no ekoko ye nsempinum enya de se na endi samnyukono wonu eni edi echen yesanso ede nigidie mu nsem so ebrema ochia me kwame wakasa de adesrede pa akọ ede amagana fo nyina de se adoroma yehwena ehihya hodo a aba ede afa eye coronavirus ede no yehwe ni eni nyina da esopepe yeda eni kopie mu ewa mahodo ensem emu na Zimbabwe manu emu ababuto dwa se wonu made sede a odokokoto China manu emu se wonu mu epedrode asa coronavirus ede no ababuto dwa se wonsa etimi aka edronum ensem ofofro bi mu ka wemu ya kansie ka ho ebi ene de babo so mo ene enwme se virgin enwmebre mu akan kasebo na chanu se kasebo eye success preparatory school ana eso yasne upe school papa do ba akwa waso betimi adode amekafo ede amount won mecha kwan e won samom address so kwantempo no eso ana so betimi afrem penifo wa homatrofo is 0208 278 198 0208 278 198 now me penifo twetwen komo na fa oba no ekọ na bibia so entimi enye kama menim ede ma bina adobia yema munyina mo nhwehwe nitia adehye